everyone, this is Kyle from WeTechCareOfYou, and today I want to show you just a fix to a very quick issue which is quite specific, but hopefully this video will help someone if you've landed and you're watching this video. And what it is when you're receiving the error that GUID values can only be compared to other GUID values. Now, I've found this issue with Dataverse, so when I'm using unique values in Dataverse and when I'm trying to do a comparison to do a filter or do a lookup and reference to equal that GUID. So we want to compare it to another GUID. Now, the way you get around this is I'll just show on this documentation here. So this is the Microsoft documentation. In this example, this is passing a GUID or a parameter into a custom page. And what we need to do is you need to use this GUID function here. So whatever the value is that you want to compare that GUID against, what you need to do is you need to put this into a GUID function. So you just do GUID and then you do your brackets in around whatever value you're using. Again, for our case, we're using this parameter being passed in. And there you can see that error's gone away because we're comparing this GUID value against this GUID value named facility purpose in Dataverse. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe to the channel and take care. Thank you.